In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add products from CJ Dropshipping to Shopify. So first of all, what you're going to do is you want to go to apps and sales settings, Shopify App Store, and we need to type in, I'll just type in CJ at the top. And what we're going to do here is we're going to install the CJ Dropshipping app. So this is the first thing we need to do. Click Add App here, and we're going to click Install App. Give it a second. Okay, nice. It's going to open up this. We want to click here, login and authorize. Now it's going to ask you to put a to sign in or to create an account, or you can sign in with Google. I'm going to do that. Next thing we want to do is we want to find a product we want to add. So let's say that we want to add this air conditioning device here. This is very popular in the summertime. So you can see they have all the photos here, which is pretty cool. They have the product price. They have the shipping fee, which is $18.25, service fee. So it's the total price here is actually $28. So make sure you look at this, it's important. From here, we want to go down to list. And now we can edit listing before we post it. So edit before listing. So we want to change the title here. So we'll put ultra cool, I'm trying a random name, air conditioner. If you have any tags in here that you want to put in, you can put that in. Description. So it's going to give you the default description from the product page. You can keep this if you would like to, although I would recommend changing it because this is going to come across very sort of scammy and not very good. Next, we want to select the images. Again here, some of these images look a bit scammy, so make sure you select the ones that look good, or even go into Photoshop and edit them like that. Now, next you want to go to variants. You might have multiple variants here, so you want to select the variants you want. You can change the SKU if you want. You can change the color. So this is ivory white. I'd probably just put white. The fan blade diameter, you can leave that there. But basically what you're going to do here is you're going to change all of the different variants and just select the ones you want. Here, this is the RRP, how much they recommend you should sell it for. Now, this is how much you get it for, RRP. You want to probably mark it up like 3 to 5x. So this, $28, you probably want to put this up for like 69.95, something like that, to give yourself like a decent margin for ads and all that. Lastly, have shipping. So you want to select your shipping types. This is the delivery time, the shipping fee, service fee, and if it has tracking. Now you can go down here and just look for cheaper options if you want, and sometimes they have different shipping options, like different warehouses. You can also go here, and if you're thinking of selling to a different country, so like United Kingdom for example, you can click here and change that. And as you can see here, this is actually a lot cheaper to go to the UK, so it might be better to do. So you want to click list it now. Before that, you need to connect to store, so I'll show you how to do that. So you want to go down here to store authorization, and you can pick any of these, but we're going to use Shopify today. With Shopify, and click add store. So by clicking authorize, you'll be directed to the app store on Shopify where you should click add app. So we're going to do that. Authorize, open app. And now you can authorize it. Click here, accept and authorize. Okay. Now we'll just close this, and now we can go back to that tab we were just on, or we can go back to our cart. So we want to click My CJ. Then we can go to products. We can go to here. Now for some reason the product has disappeared from my thing, maybe because I just updated it. So I'd recommend doing that first, to connect your store first. I'm going to go back here. I'm going to re-add the product to show you again, but I'll just be very quick for it. So list. I'm going to pretend I've already edited it. Now the store is going to be here, so we can list it now. Oh, please select product type. Product type. Add new. P1. Vendor. Add new. 1. Confirm. Let's see if this one works here. Oh, store price. There we go. 69.95 for the store price. Oh, that's in dollars. Okay. So we want to put like 59.95 something. We can hit list now. List in progress. You can check the listing status on listing. Listed products can be managed in the listed. So now I'm going to right click and open that. I'm going to close this, and it's going to tell you the status of it. So it's pending at the moment. If you probably refresh this, I imagine it will be done. Yeah, listing successful. So it's been listed, so I can go view it in store. And now from here, what I can do, I can edit all of this if I want to, and go to more actions. And if I want to preview it on the store, I can do that. You can see how it all looks here. And obviously this is basic. I've got no theme on or anything like that, but that's how you do it. And you can see it's on the home page like this, and it's added to your store. Now, a few things I think are worth mentioning is that obviously here you can change the description, and I'd recommend doing that if you haven't already. I'd recommend changing out the product photos. I would do that in like Photoshop, or even like generate some in Midjourney, which would be quite cool. You could generate some really cool ones. I've actually just quickly generated like a product image here in Midjourney to show you how you would do that. I think it's pretty cool. I've made it like in like a icy cold landscape. You see it's generating. Once generated, I'm just going to add it to the store. But to be honest, I think this adds like a lot of unique. It makes it really unique, makes it look really professional. And it adds like a bit of a cool twist to the store, which a lot of people won't have, which will make you stand out from competitors. So let me just wait for this to do its thing. Damn, look at these. These are actually pretty cool. So like this second one, I think I'll get that one. So I'm going to upscale number 2. I'm going to right click and just save it. Then I'm going to go back here. I'm going to add the image here. Oh, I don't want to add that. I want to add it like this. Double click. I'm going to drag it to the front there. That's pretty cool. Something else I'd mention is if you only got one variant, like just delete that. You don't need that. Same with this one here. Delete that. You have the make sure it's available stock. Make sure it's selected on this one here, because otherwise it will not fulfill from automatically. We can hit save on this here. Save product. Obviously change the title, make it shorter. I'm going to go to preview the product now. And we have this image now on it, which is, I think, pretty cool. It gives it a unique sort of look and feel to it. But that's how you do it. So if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, then please like and subscribe, and comment down below if this video helped you. And if you have any questions about it, please comment down below and I'll also help you with that. Plus, if you have any video ideas or something you want me to do, then let me know. So thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in another video. Good luck with your CJ dropshipping.